Back with another install. As you can see in the title, obviously, RV6 downpipe. You guys can see it. 2.5. I've been waiting to do this one. I'm gonna replace this big cat right here. Oh yes, let's get right into it. These are all the tools you're gonna need, really. Boom, 9/16, 10mm to take off the battery. This for the O2 sensor, 1/2 inch. That would be for these guys. Now, right now it's hot. Things first, let's go ahead and take off the battery. Next, we're gonna go ahead and unclip the O2s. If you're having trouble and like see how this is on there like that, if you look in the back, comes right out. So this is the heat shield. My best suggestion, really, unbolt the top, let it loose, right? If you're doing this by yourself, do the bottom, take off the bottoms completely, then take off the top so you could just pull up.
Come back up and just take out the screw. But right here, I'm just gonna take off the heat shield. Everything is hot. That's the reason why I didn't want to do it. Sorry, my face keeps getting into the camera. So I'll be forgetting that we having this one. I gotta get this dinosaur right here out of here.
Let's just take off the O2 sensor. So.
Just a little finesse on this one. This one is. See? Boom, boom. We're gonna put that to the side somewhere.
Take that off. These are also 1/2 inch. So just let you know.
Just a little bit hidden. Now, to be honest, not real much speaking.
All these are loose. At this very moment, this thing should be able to, you know, move out. This process, you're gonna have to actually go to the floor. That one, and then the one over there, and then this one, and then that should be able to come off. All right, so underneath, when you underneath it, the ones I was pointing out to you, yeah, that one, and that one, and then get that one from. Hopefully I get that one from the top. But yeah, that's it. Breaker bar at all. Oh, this one came off. End up stripping the bolt. Got this little strip kit. This is the only thing that's been keeping me up, and it's stripped. I even used the strip kit, all of that. So I tried to be nice. Now I'm taking a full Sawzall to it. Thank you, Sawzall. Alright, once you take off, cut off, whatever you want to do, that bolt, like I did it, take the elastings out, and then slowly just. So after, just clean this up, take this, definitely take this off. And then you're gonna put the new one on, but before, just clean it up a little bit, wipe it down some. Out of these old parts, man, to that, also take this brace off, cause that's gonna go and hooked on to the new one. Yeah, I put this one. I didn't tighten it yet, cause I was trying to position it to the hole. Right, oh, I'm blocking. There's another hole right there. There's another hole right there in the back. Right, not this one, the other one. So I was trying to line that up before I tighten that. But this is what it should. This is what it should look like. Once you put, obviously, this one, the gasket first, and then after that, tighten it back up. So from here, I'm pretty much gonna be tightening everything back up, really. So. Alright, that's it. All the bolts tight. All three, make sure all three is tight. These two tight. Make sure all those, the sensors are, that's for O2 sensors are good. Make sure they're tight and button up. Connectors are back on, 1 and 2. And put the negative back on. And then start it up.